don't know. Yeah. But her paint is like mine.
Are you heading home right now?
Fucking moron. Wow. How fucking...
Dude, you have plenty of fucking room. Let's fucking pull over.
What the hell are you doing?
Pull over.
We're supposed to go in.
You have a lane. You have a lane. You Blinker doesn't give me the fucking right of way.
And you run into my fucking door.
You run into me, motherfucker.
You fucking hit my car.
Pull over.
I am over.
Pull into the fucking shoulder.
I am over.
Oh my god. Just because you have a blinker on doesn't give you the right of way. Hey, I'm pulling over. Let's get out of the fucking travel lane. Shit, man.
Online are saying, but why is this relevant? This was 1955, and let me leave you with this quote for this particular story before I move on. I'm Just Shala says, and she quotes Emmett Till's mother back.
What the fuck?
Hang on a second.
Ed has seen her all about it as soon as she was able.
Oh, shit.
Free women might start getting impatient if we fail to walk them to safety soon. Women like to talk, and when they...
Cura diabetes, não cura diabetes. Deixa eu te dar o mas se segura aí. Segura, mãe. You fucking stupid!
How do you make your dad more super? With a gift from Home Hardware Super Dad Super Sale. From June 1st to 21st, save up to 50% on Bradley tools and outdoor power equipment, and 35% on Castrol-Edge synthetic motor oil. Only at Home Hardware and Building Centers. Here's how.
I accept to take over.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Dude, this fucking exposition in front of me